Hi, in this video we will see how to use max function in Tableau. So for using this function we have to create one calculation field. So after clicking on the calculation field, I'll set the title as max and then just have to click on the max function. So after clicking here we can see on the right side of this table there is written one definition and example. So in brief, the max function will show the maximum value inside the expression. For example, that we have some different measures in our table, which is discount, quantity, profit, and sales. So if you want to know the maximum, uh, what is the maximum value inside the profit or sales? So in order to find that, we can use this function. So for example, I used uh, so in the for example in this function I'll set the expression as a profit. Click here. Doing this, click on apply and click on OK. So if I put this, take this max measure and I'll drop it onto the text. So you can see here it is showing the 8400 value. So this is the maximum profit inside our data. So for that, if I take the category field, so uh, for example, I take the category field and drop it onto the row. So I can see here it is showing the 8400 inside the technology. So the technology category has the highest number of profit, but we don't know the specific subcategory. So actually, which subcategory has the highest profit? So for that, I'll take this subcategory and I'll drop it onto row shelf, and we can see here now. So this is the furniture category, office supply and technology. And then we can see here inside the technology, there's the subcategory copiers. So copiers subcategory has the highest number of profit, which is 8400. So, so this is how we can use the max function in Tableau to find out the maximum value inside the particular expression or two different expression. So, uh, so it is very easy to use this function. So it also helps us to find rather than the profit we can use another value. So for example, I click here and edit inside the profit. I can also select the sales. So if I click here and apply and okay, so we can see here now. So if I remove this, so it is showing the 22,638. So if I drag the subcategory and drop it onto the row, so we can see here the technology itself has the highest number of sales. And for the further, we can take the subcategory and drop it onto the row shelf. So in technology category, we have machines subcategory which is having the highest number of sales. So this is how we can use the max function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more.